OpenLine Demo, Inputs. In this clip, we'll see a fax or document received from an MFP, from the web, and from Outlook into OpenLine. Traditionally, analog phone lines carry a fax transmission from a sender's fax machine through the telephone switch or PBX, then through the telephone network, and it's printed at its destination, your fax machine. In this scenario, costs add up quickly when you consider how much multiple fax machines cost, the cost to fax enable a multifunction device, which typically averages around $750 per kit, the cost of toner, paper, and managing those faxes. Then we consider the fact that there is a minimal audit trail for documents traveling this way, no image retention, and no centralized control of fax activity. With OpenLine, we've simplified everything, and as a result, reduced all costs involved. We can receive faxes from the web, or from Windows clients, from email, from applications, and from MFPs. And when we receive faxes in OpenLine, we have administration choices that we can make to best suit our processes. We can receive faxes as a group administrator and then forward them to the appropriate destination, whether that be an email, a public folder, a printer, etc. Or we can automate that routing with a fax number. Maybe you use a block of DID numbers for fax extensions. Those extensions could be assigned to an inbox, or to that shared folder, or to a printer. We can receive faxes in OpenLine from any multifunction device. We have proprietary connectors as well as T37 to work with, and OpenLine is fully compatible with eCopy and Sharp OSA connectors. Or we can receive faxes from Windows and web clients, ERP and CRM systems, and from email clients. We can receive faxes from email and receive them into email, and that interface, the Outlook interface, looks a lot like the web interface. So let's actually switch over to a live OpenLine system and take a look at that web client. So I'm in a browser and I just log into my OpenLine fax server. And let's start with the options that I have. By clicking on options, I see that I can choose the language of the interface. I have 6 choices, and it's just a click of a button. If I want to switch from French to English, it's just a click. I don't have to log back in, and then going back is just as easy. And I can choose whether I want to view my faxes in PDF or TIFF. And since we're talking about inputs, let's look at my inbound history. So I'll see all of my faxes here, and these headings give me a lot of information. I can click on any of these to sort my faxes. So I can see what time they came in, who sent them, the DID. So I'll just sort on that. And then I can open the actual image of the fax. I can look at the audit trail by clicking on receive time. I can look at all the details for where that fax has been. If it was received, the size of the file, etc. And I can also make notes. So say I received a contract and they forgot to sign it. I can make a note on that, save it along with the fax, and then that stays with that fax so that later I can search on that if I wanted to search for that note on signature. It's going to bring up just that fax. So OpenLine, the easy way to receive faxes and documents from so many sources.